you are able to invent a portable power generation unit, all these people can able to have power for 24 hours without any troubles, without any problems, and can lead their life happily. Second,
The second reason is,
the second reason is
point your finger. Yeah, the second reason is
the environmental adverse effects happening because of the current resources, which is which is thermal as well as gas. So using thermal as well as gas, you are generating a lot of ozone, which is depreciating the current ozone layer and affecting our natural calamities. So if we can use the natural resources and can able to develop this portable generation unit without using these resources, that minimizes the impact on the environmental conditions, as well as due to depreciation in the natural resources of this coal and as well as natural fuel, we can use the natural resources like a magnetic force which Earth has got, and wind forces and others such as electromagnetic, natural gravitational effects, all these. If we can use all these technologies and can develop this portable power generation units, can help each individual households in the remote areas can generate power. The third reason, again sorry I covered in second, the third reason is the depreciation of the natural resource like oil and the gas. So if we, and also looking for an alternative source of fuel rather than using the current source of fuels.
okay.
So if we can able to think about getting a different source apart from the current resources like coal or oil, then we can make use of that and develop a portable power generation unit which can help everyone, and help not only the people who are staying in the remote areas, but also helps the people in the cities who can reduce the consumption of oil and the power generation units running based on gas and coal. So I would request everyone to think about utilizing the natural resources and making the unit so compact so every household can able to implement can have as part of a common item like refrigerator or oven in the house, so that they can generate their own power and they can use of it. So that
If you succeed in inventing such a power generation unit,
if you are successful in generating such mini portable power generation unit, it really saves thousands of lives and can help the whole world in reducing the environmental hazardousness.
most importantly,
you yourself can make a big change to the whole world.
Who cares? Most importantly, you yourself.
What's that?
What's the personal benefit to us?
You are serving the people. You are helping the people in the remote areas.
Not everyone is as altruistic as that.
Yeah, scientists are for everyone.
No. There are some scientists here who are very commercial, money-minded. Yeah.
Of course, same like refrigerators, you can sell you the mini portable power
Just say that.
And if you are
successful, yeah,
then you can sell all these mini portable power generation units, as many as in the world, like a mobile phones now in the market.
Yeah.
And
In India alone,
there are 1.21 billion people
living in 120 million villages.
120 million villages.
And that's your potential market size, because every single village
And that's your potential market, and every single village
will
has-
require
will require a mini portable power generation unit. And I hope you all invest in inventing the mini portable power generation unit, so that everyone can able to afford and generate with a less space, less weight, low cost equipment.
and
And
most importantly,
most importantly,
at a profit for yourself.
at a profit for yourself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.